Alright, in our question here, we can see that a magazine costs $4. What is the cost of 2 magazines, 3 magazines, 4 magazines, and so on? Show your answers in a table. Alright, well, I've made a table for you here. The number of magazines, 1 is $4. If you have 2 magazines, it's 2 times 4, which is 8. 3 magazines is 3 times 4, which is 12. 4 magazines is 4 times 4, which is 16. 5 magazines times 4 is 20. 6 magazines times 4 is 24. So that's pretty easy, right? Now, for question B, how much would 98 magazines cost? Well, all we were doing was multiplying the number of magazines by 4, correct? So, we need to go 98 times 4. And that will be the total cost of 98 magazines. 4 times 8 is 32. Carry the 3. 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 3 is 39. So, it'll be $392. C, how many magazines can you buy with $100? Well, if I've got $100, and I know that each magazine costs $4, then that's 100 divided by 4. And is this really hard, people? No. If I have 100 divided into 4 equal parts, I've got 25. Okay, so the answer is 25. So, how many magazines can I buy with $100? 25. Don't believe me? Go 25 times 4. What's 25 times 4? It's 100. Okay, that's how you can check your dividing. Suppose you have $50. I've got 2 4Cs I just noticed here. Look at that. There's another 4C, which I don't need. I'll have to fix that later. 4D. Suppose you have $50. Can you buy magazines and have no money left over? How do you know? So I got $50. And I know each magazine cost me 4. I have to think. Is it possible that I can divide 50 by 4 and get a whole number, or will I have a decimal which represents, you know, some change? Well, what do you guys think? Do you know the 4 times table? 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 11 is 44. 4 times 12 is 48. 4 times 13 is 52. All I'm doing is counting up by 4s. So, is there any way that I can buy an equal number of magazines? And the answer is no. Alright, I'll be able to buy 12 magazines. 4 times 12 is 48. And I'll have $2 left over. So that's how I know the answer here is no.